a plus b to the power of 6. To expand this, you need binomial coefficients, right? So let's find the binomial coefficients. 6c0 will be same as 6c6, 6c1 will be same as 6c5, 6c2 will be same as 6c4, 6c3, right? And when you subtract 63 will be 63 only, no? That's the same thing. So 6c0 is equal to this, that is 6 factorial upon 0 factorial, 6 factorial, that is your 1. Now you have 6 factorial, 1 factorial, 5 factorial equal to 6. 6 factorial, 4 factorial, 2 factorial, that is equal to your 15. Then you have 6 factorial, 3 factorial, 3 factorial, that is 6, 5, 4 upon 3 factorial, that's your 20. Okay, now let's just expand this. So what you are getting? 6c0, a to the power of 6, b to the power of 0, 6c1, a to the power of 5, b to the power of 1, 6c2, a to the power of 4, b to the power of 2, 6c3, a to the power of 3, b to the power of 3, 6c4, a to the power of 2, b to the power of 4, 6c5, a to the power of 1, b to the power of 5, 6c6, a to the power of 0, b to the power of 6. Now let's just sub in values. 6c0 is 1. That's a to the power of 6, b to the power of 0. 6c1 is your 6, a to the power of 5, b to the power of 1. 6c2 is 15, a to the power of 4, b to the power of 2. 6c3 is your 20, a cube, b cube. 6c4 is your 15, a square, b to the power of 4. 6c5 is a to the power of 1, b to the power of 5. 6c6 is your 1. A to the power of 0, b to the power of 6. Right? Let's just simplify it further. So it's a to the power of 6 plus 6, a to the power of 5, b plus 15, a to the power of 4, b to the power of 2, 20, a cube, b cube plus 15, a square, b to the power of 4 plus 6, a b to the power of 5 plus b to the power of 6. So I hope it helps. If it does, please like,